Hi everyone, Betty from Ounuo Machinery. Nice to see you again. Today I will show you our newest paper molding machine from different perspectives. As a result of the plastic ban, the whole package market has changed. More and more plastic products being replaced by paper products. Plastic bag to paper bag, plastic straw to paper straw. And these products made by paper instead of plastic. So why not choose the plastic cutlery to paper cutlery? Adhering the Ounuo spirit of think it, do it, our R&D team immediately invest a lot of manpower and material resources. Finally made this paper molding machine. Then let's see what's the advantages of it. Number 1. A potential blue ocean market. Products can be used in the restaurant, takeout market, parties, picnics, weddings, traveling, household, and so on. Number 2. Mold can be customized with diversified design. Number 3. Comprehensive upgrade. The first part, double frame, base paper automatic gluing, side push die cutting can be automatically stacked. The second part, forming and sealing automatic all-in-one machine, circulating hot air drying, increase the stacking count function. Number 4, reduce labor costs and increase production capacity. Only 2 workers are needed to operate the whole machine, saving labor costs. It can produce 316,800 pieces per day and make you a handsome profit every year. Number 5. The equipment has more than 16 technical research patents and certificates. After several years of development, the finished products of our paper molding machine have evolved from a single basic knife, fork, and spoon to a variety of shapes. Look, you can see ice cream spoon, cake plate, dessert fork, cake cutter, coffee stick, paper hanger, and so on. Hope you can give it more possibilities and creativity. If you have the same feeling with me and think it is a potential project, come on and join us. See you next time!